Yeah, that looks fine. Target. Pumunta kami kanina sa IKEA. Sobrang haba ng pila. Kaya dito kami ngayon sa Corporate Empire. Sa Target. Mag-window shop. This mask is crazy. From the Target. Yay, we're in. So, andito kami, maghanap kami ng para sa bahay. Look at this dress. Beautiful dress. Oh, look at this dress, love. $15. You need tissue? We have a lot of tissue. We bought a lot of tissue at Costco. We have plenty. The Hawaiian shirts. Hawaiian shirts. You used to wear a no Hawaiian shirt before.
Not like that. That's very bright. Wow.
My husband used to wear a Hawaiian shirt before in Guam. But not anymore. He changed his style. This mask is so ridiculous. Hello. I can't breathe. Oh, look at this, a TV. Look at this TV, guys. Can you hear me, guys? I'm wearing a mask. I don't know if you can hear me. We're looking for a TV. How much a TV?
It's $129 there. One's $89.
$89?
Yeah, but it's brand new for $129.
Yeah.
$40
This year. TV for our computer. VCU. We have VCU. Oh, we have VCU? We have a lot of TV. So, just window shopping here sa Target. I think we're gonna look for curtain, shower curtain. Kasi maglagay kami ng curtain sa bedroom namin sa kwarto. Lagyan namin ng curtain. Let's say we have another dumbbells. Oh, We're out of dumbbells. Sold out na naman yung mga dumbbells nila. Wala na naman. Paubusan na naman, guys. Grabe na to, guys. Wala ka nang halos mabili yung mga gusto mong bilhin. Wala na, hindi mo na makita. Think you're gonna do a puzzle together? Buti pa dito na too many people. Targets. Walmart is ang haba ng pila sa Walmart. Kaya nga kanina pumunta kami ng IKEA. Super haba ang pila ng IKEA hanggang parking lot. Sorry. Never mind, punta na tayo ng Walmart. I mean, Target. So, andito kami sa Target. Yes. Hey, look at this one, love. You can put water in her mist. Look. Lagyan mo ng tubig dito, tapos, mainit. It's $7. $7.99. Do you have you don't have sharp? You don't have sharp. Look all the vacuum mirror. We have sharp. This is sharp, but it's different size. Different size. It's $149. It's on sale.
It's not brush, it's kind of clear. It's full brush.
Yeah, but sharp too. Yeah, this is it. It's different kind of sharp, but it's in comfort. Sharp vacuum is good quality. We have 3 sharp vacuum. Ginagamit namin sa paglilinis sa trabaho. They last long, but we use a lot. Kaya na-retard na rin. Nasira na. But it's still working. Where's all the carton?
No, not like in front of your house. More like
That's gonna be in front of the store. It's right next to right back to school. There's one aisle left of outdoor food. D41. 4041.
Is there a shower carton? Are you sure we're gonna put shower carton in our bedroom?
Shower rod.
A shower rod. So we're looking for a shower rod na gagamitin namin sa kwarto, sa wall. Lagyan namin ng tawag nun? I forgot the name. Yung i-cross the wall. Kasi yung layout ng bedroom namin is weird. Open siya, yung bathroom niya. Bedroom and then bathroom is wide open. So, lagyan namin ng bangin the side of the wall to wall. Yung shower rod, tapos lagyan namin ng curtain. Para medyo may kunting privacy. Yan. Sana ba?
It's 350 inches.
Yeah. Okay guys, so we found the curtain that we want for our bedroom. This is 84 length, so we'll be touching on the floor.
So you're gonna have to slide
So-
it inside. There's no holes.
So we're gonna use a rod, this one for this, instead of the hook.
Because you gotta go wall to
So
wall.
we're gonna cross wall to wall. So we're gonna do that today. So I see you guys at the house pag nalagyan na namin yung cart. We found cheaper price. Instead of $12.99, this is $9.99. Same size, 84 inches of length. Are you sure that's the right size?
Yes.
Okay guys, so we're home now. Hold on, we tried to put the shower rod in our bedroom. So my husband trying to fix it right now. So kung ano ba ang tsura ng curtain. So let's see. Where's my camera? There. Oh. So here's my husband putting on the rod, the shower curtain rod. What we bought today at Target. Ayan. Hey, so we tried to block the bedroom hallway because the layout of this apartment is very different. So, yan. So I'm here inside in our bedroom. This is our bedroom. Hey, how does that look? Okay, guys. So this is the layout of our bedroom. So that's why we're planning to put curtain in the middle of our bedroom, because this is the door going inside the bedroom. And then the bathroom is right here, separate, but meron siyang sariling door. So I don't know, it's different layout the way we build this apartment. So there you go. Yan ang itsura. I think that's okay. Yeah, that looks fine. There you go. So what do you think, guys? Ano ang itsura ng curtain? That's a shower rod and a curtain. So $20. We spent $22. So yung kanina na bili namin na gray na pili for $12.99, we changed it to this color for $9.99. So a little bit cheaper. Yan. So naka-mura kami today. So, yan ang nabili namin today sa Target. So, what do you think, guys? Maganda ba? Ayan. So, we have a privacy in our bedroom just in case meron kaming bisita na pupunta dito sa bahay. Ito yung front door. Pupunta sa CR. Ayan. So, that's it. That's our project for today. Ayan, curtain. Ayan, meron ng door yung kwarto namin. Yes. Ayan. Okay na. It's nice. I think it's okay. So there's a bedroom. Ta-da! Private. Alright guys, so thank you so much for watching our video for today. And again, don't forget to give me a like and subscribe to our channel and leave a comment below. If you have any video suggestion, just leave your comments. And I thank you guys so much for watching, and see you again next time. Bye!